Welcome to Solving the UAE Business Complexity Puzzle. This video professionals lobby will guide you through mastering your operations, compliance, and growth with the perfect ERP implementation. Rapid growth often creates operational fragmentation, leading to data silos and delayed decision-making. You may also face compliance risks managing UAE VAT, corporate tax, and Arabic reporting manually, alongside scalability limits and hidden costs. An ERP acts as the central axis of business alignment. It provides a unified truth with a single database and automates workflows across modules like sales and finance. This allows for predictive insight and robust cost control. ERP systems are crucial for UAE compliance. They enable corporate tax readiness, built-in Federal Tax Authority VAT reporting, e-invoicing and PEPPOL integration, and native bilingual reporting capabilities. The ERP cost matrix for 2026 aligns with business size. Tier 1 supports small businesses, Tier 2 mid-sized operations, and Tier 3 caters to global conglomerates, offering increasing complexity and ROI optimization. The ERP market is an overwhelming constellation of choices. Selecting the right software requires a structured evaluation beyond just features, considering cloud versus on-premise, total cost of ownership, and hidden risks. The UAE ERP ecosystem is tiered. The inner ring comprises heavy-gravity enterprise giants like SAP and Oracle. The middle ring focuses on mid-market specialists, and the outer ring includes agile and SME-focused solutions. Professionals Lobby serves as the master solver, offering vendor-neutral advisory to find the perfect match for your operational DNA. We provide independent evaluation and robust risk mitigation. Our AI-powered alignment engine provides a smart recommendation engine, innovation through R&D, accurate ROI prediction modeling, and industry benchmarking tailored to your business architecture. Our vendor-neutral implementation funnel starts with discovery and SRS documentation. Phase 2 involves selection and negotiation, driving cost optimization. Phase 3 focuses on execution and optimization, ensuring alignment with UAE VAT and corporate governance. Stop guessing and start solving. Claim your free ERP requirement assessment and software requirement specification. Powered by AI and vendor-neutral experts, we ensure you understand your exact needs before investing a single dirham. Visit www.professionalslobby.com to solve the puzzle.
Professionals Lobby, grow, connect, succeed.